Donald J. Trump stood as one of the most recognizable figures in American politics, a man whose journey through business, television, and politics created waves across the nation. Born in Queens, New York City, on June 14, 1946, Donald Trump followed in his family's footsteps by delving into real estate, taking the helm of the Trump family business in the 1970s. He transformed the company into the Trump Organization, undertaking ambitious projects. His ventures in luxury hotels, casinos, and golf courses layered cities across the globe with his name. Television stardom struck Donald with The Apprentice, a reality show where he became known nationwide for his stern, "You're fired" catchphrase. It set the stage, powering his public persona, paving his way into the political theater. Trump's political presence wasn't sudden, but his presidential campaign in June 2015 marked an official step into the arena. As a candidate, his slogans and promises echoed a dramatic shakeup of long-standing policies. Build the wall, America first, and criticism of international alliances became the staple of his campaign message. Winning against Hillary Clinton on November 8, 2016, Donald Trump became the 45th President of the United States. His tenure witnessed tax reforms like the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, withdrawal from significant global agreements such as the Paris Climate Accord, and the onset of a trade war with China. His approach to immigration was stringent, leading to travel bans and border enforcement policies. Controversy enveloped his presidency, especially during the handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and two impeachment trials. The first impeachment revolved around abuse of power, linked to a communications saga involving Ukraine, in which he was eventually acquitted. His second impeachment, following the Capitol riot on January 6, 2021, charged him with inciting insurrection, leading again to acquittal. Trump's chapter as president closed when Joe Biden succeeded him on January 20th, 2021. Yet, even post-presidency, his influence within the Republican Party remained dominant. Facing legal challenges related to alleged business fraud, electoral interference, and mishandling classified documents, Donald Trump prepared for his potential political comeback. He announced his candidacy for the 2024 election, maintaining his stature as a leading figure in GOP politics.